So I'll just hand over to Megha now. So she will tell you briefly. She will just share her screen and tell you how, like, what is the products of the GPL. So on what you need to design your logos. So I'll just hand over to Megha now. Megha, please share
Yeah,
the screen and
Rajesh sir, my share option is disabled. Can you please make it enable? Rajesh sir?
Yeah, just a
Yeah.
second. Just a second.
Yeah, I'm joining again. No issue.
Now you please check. Can you check now, Mega?
Yes, I can. Can everyone see me? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are, Mega.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Okay, thank you so much. So, guys, today's webinar is on the what is exactly the Logathon all about. So, our company is Garudalytics Private Limited. We are working mainly in the satellite remote sensing imagery, drone-based imagery, and we provide the solution for that. So, we have three products. One is GSM, which is Garudalytics Smart Mapping. Another is G Field, and the third one is the GDA. So we will give a brief on all these three products, so you guys can have an idea that what are the functionalities having all these three products. Based on that, you can design the logo. So first of all, this is the agenda of today's meeting. Uh, then this is the overview. What is the GSM? So GSM is a Garudalytics Smart Mapping. It's a voice-enabled app which provide the geospatial-based, location-based applications solution, and it is a voice-based application. Over the click command, also anyone can find the solution. So here, as you can say, there are the mano bar and the map is there. So this is our first product, which is GSM, which is a voice-enabled application, which executes the various geoprocessing operations. The another is the G field. This is the login page of the G Field. G Field is the mobile application for geospatial and location data collection from ground, or we can say from the field for the user. This is the login page of the G Field. These are the different categories in the G Field attributes. We can say these are the designs of different applications, and this is the final look of the map. We have enabled seven different type of the base map over here for the user. And another third product is the GDA, which is Garudalytics Drone Analytics. So here we process the drone imagery. GDA is the desktop and web application for drone data processing, sharing, and the analysis. This is the screenshots of the GDA. So we will circulate the PDF of this presentation also. So you guys will always have that backup that these kind of the functionalities, these three applications has. So you can design the logo based on that. Uh, and this logathon is for we are want three different designs for our all three different products, which is GSM, GField, and the GDA. So we are expecting three logos from each candidate. One for the GSM, one for the GDA, and one for the GField. Then these are the detailed functionality of all these three products. As I said, GSM is a voice-based product. It is device-independent application, customizable also. Drag and drop feature is also there, and data interoperability is also there. In GDA, a browser-based drone data processing software, 2D, 3D mapping is there. Mobile web-based configuration is also there. G defense applications are also enabled in that, and solution of route management is also there. In G field, user can collect the data using the G field. Integrated data also, editing and modification is also there. It is working online and offline both ways. Live data fetching functionality is also there in the G field, and easy to share that data. G field is mostly for the data collection purposes, and this is the functionalities what I have said about the GFIELD and GDA. GDA is the mobile application for geospatial and location data collection from the ground. GDA is the desktop and web-based application for drone data processing and analytics. And the major rules which each and every candidate need to follow is logo should be in PNG, JPG, and PSG formats. Logo should contain it means all three should be in PNG, all three should be in JPG, or all three should be in the PSD, not like GSM in PNG or another one will be in JPG, not like that. Logo should contain its original file along with which can be editable. Logo should get change in any required size. All logo should be transparent. There is no watermark in the background. It won't be acceptable. Logo should not be generated using any automated AI-based tool, and logo should be original, not copyrighted from any of the website or any of the tool. So these are the rules which every candidate needs to follow. And now you guys can ask us anything, whatever the queries you have. Hello, hello.
Yeah, you are
Ma'am,
audible.
is that logo need to be adaptive in nature? Then, I mean, for the desktop size, it should vary, and for the laptop size or for the Android, it should vary.
You can submit it in original size. So whenever we want to edit it in actual software, we can edit as per the different sizes. So if I want to use for the mobile app, definitely I need to change the size then rather than the desktop size, right? Or the laptop size. So it should be in that format that when we edit it, that pixel should not stretch too much. So that's why we ask the logo in its original format.
Okay, ma'am.
There is one question, Megha. What do you mean by three logo? From
Three logo
Shweta.
means, yeah, Shweta, three logo means one logo is for the GSM, which is Garudalytics Smart Mapping product. Another logo is for the G field, which is a data collection kind of the application. And the third is GDA, Garudalytics Drone Analytics application. So for all these three applications, or we can say three different products, we require the three different logos. Shweta, are you clear now? Yeah,
Someone
we
is
will.
Ma'am,
Yes, we will
ma'am,
share
can I?
definitely. Yeah, Tanya, please.
Ma'am, when we have to submit this?
The last date of the submission is 30th, 31st is September.
31st September. Okay, ma'am.
We have mentioned it on Hack to Skin.
Okay, ma'am.
From 30th September, registration will be closed, and the submission of the closing date is the 6th of the October. You can submit till 6th of the October.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Shweta, you need to make three logos. Yes, that is what
uh,
exactly we are asking.
Manisha have missed the session, so she's asking for the recording. Or else we can you can just like once
PDF,
again you can
PDF.
just start. Once again, if you can elaborate about the those slides, you can
Yes,
showcase.
yes, I will again share. Anyone else miss something? Please pay attention. Yeah. So, Manisha, this is the agenda of today's webinar. We will give the overview of our three different products on which we are requiring the logos. So, first product is the GSM, which is Garudalytics Smart Mapping. This is the voice-enabled GIS-based web application that is used for executing various geo-processing operations with voice-based command also and over-the-click command also. But this functionalities, or we can say these operations, are mainly on the remote sensing based satellite imagery or on the drone imagery. So this is the our first product, which is GSM, and it is look like this. Its platform is looking like this. That's why we have added screenshots of it. Second is G Field. This is a data collection app through where a user can edit, add, share the data of different category, we can say. So this is the G Field, is the mobile application for the geospatial and location data collection from ground by field user. And these are the screenshots of that applications. And the third one is the GDA, which is Garudalytics Drone Analysis. Here we process the drone imagery data and perform the analytics over it. So Garudalytics Drone Imagery Analysis is the desktop and web-based application for the drone data processing and sharing and the analytics. So what is this logathon and what is the requirement? So our requirement is the three different logos for all these three products. GSM, one logo, G Field, one logo, and GDA for the another logo. So we required three different logo from your side. And these are the detailed functionalities of all three products. The GSM is, as I said, it is voice-based product. It is device independent, customizable. Drag and drop feature is also there for different raster and vector data. Drag and drop functionalities. It is data interoperability. GDA is browsing-based drone data processing. 2D, 3D mapping is also available there. Mobile and web-based configurations is also there. G defense kind of the applications also perform under the GDA, and solution for the route management used by the GDA. G field has the collection of the field data, editing and modification is also happening there. Online and offline mode of work is also possible with the G field. Live data fetching is also can be done by the G field, and it is easy to share the survey data. These are the G Field and GDA's introduction. G Field is a mobile application for geospatial and location data collection from the ground, and GDA is a desktop and web-based application for drone data processing, data sharing, and the analytics. Important thing is these are the rules which every candidate need to follow. You can prepare a logo in any of these formats: PNG, JPG, or in the PSD, but strictly from these three formats only. And apart from this, any of the format, we will not accept it. Logo should contain its original file along with it, which can be editable. Like if you have generate one logo, if we want to edit it for smaller size, as we want it for the mobile application, so it should be editable. It is not like I will drag and drop it and its pixel will get spread too much and it not be visible properly. That's why we required actual original files. Logo should get changed in any required sizes. All logo must be transparent. There should not be any
Babu.
watermark
Hey, Babu.
in the background. Logo should not be generated using any automated AI tools. And logo should be original, not be copyrighted. Otherwise, that candidate will be disqualified. So these rules are important, which each and every candidate needs to follow. I hope it is clear now.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Are
Yeah,
there any
please.
identities fixed like color palette or fonts of the logo?
Nothing, nothing. You can do it by yourself.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.
Akash is asking like we'll be sharing the PPT. Yes, we will share this PPT also in that
We
hack
will
to
share
skill in that
PPT
hack to
and
skill
PDF
website.
both. Yes.
In that website, we will you just follow that hack to skill website. Just see the notification, check your mails, and you will receive the notifications and mails and all the information about how to design. So yes, and each logo have any one format only or in all three format. Mega, this is the question about the
Yeah.
formats.
Yeah, if you are submitting the logo, you need to follow strictly these three formats. Apart from this, you cannot submit, but under this format, you can submit the logo. Rajesh sir, please correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, you are okay. So let's
Okay,
say
fine.
if you are
So guys,
preparing anything, no, so the logos should be JPG, PNG, and what it is PSD, right?
yes, PSD
So the
version,
three
yes.
products, like example, product one, product two, product three is there. So you are designing all three products logo. So the first set of logos will be in JPG, and the second set of logos will be in PNG, and the third set of logos will be in PSD. Okay. So I believe you got my point. Harsha, Harsh, whoever this.
Your question is coming up.
Yeah. Okay.
Um, yeah, Hemant is typing something. Or Hemant, you can. I think he can speak also. If your mic is not disabled. Okay, he's clear. Fine. If any other questions are there.
Though if you have any further questions while you prepare anything related to the logo or maybe whatever, so you may post questions. Okay. So you may post questions to Mega. Mega, can
Yes.
we create one channel that adding whoever been registered for the logothon, and can we prepare a channel and ask them if they're having any doubts, so that post their questions over there.
Yes, we will try to make one WhatsApp group regarding this, and inside that group, each and every candidate will be there. So whatever the questions candidate will have, they
Yes.
can post over there,
Yes, because
and we will
last of the questions.
definitely give the answer. Yes,
Some of the
we
questions
will
may not
circulate
come.
this PPT and PDF also in that group only.
Yeah, that sounds good. So, आगे मामा. So yeah, I have whoever is having any further doubts, no. So they can post their questions. Maybe during this period, like you have 15 days, so you can post your questions, because some questions may not come right now. Okay, so while you prepare, some queries may come, so you may ask us, so we'll clear immediately.
You guys have 21 days. The deadline is 6th of the October. So fine, can we conclude this session if uh, people don't have any questions?
If you don't know about
Sweetie?
the services that we provide, like the geospatial services, maybe whatever we are saying, that remote sensing and geoprocessing operations. So it is basically, in a layman terms, with you can understand in this way, that mapping, you people aware geography, right? So in geography there is a lot of topo sheets, so must everyone must have studied geography, so you should aware that topo sheets are there. So topo sheets means it is the replica of the earth surface that is being mapped and with a proper scaling. Okay, so every feature has been extracted, and that particular features, I mean, which those are existing on the earth surface, that is been represented in a paper. Okay, so therefore we can understand where the road is going, where the forest area is there, and likewise many things. If you can search Google Maps, everyone using Google Maps, so in Google Maps also, if you see, from one place to the another place you want to drive, so you'll get the the path, the route. Okay, including the directions and the speed limits and all. So this is what we do actually. Okay, so this is a general basic things, just for your understanding I am saying. If you want to know more about our organization, you can simply go to garudalytics.com, our website. So you just learn about us and what are the services and what are the products. Every product has been listed over there. Okay, so you just go through and understand further things. Okay, so Sweetie has already shared
Yeah.
you the link. I mean the
And as many of the candidates are not joined today because many of there are students, they have colleges, so need to attend the college. So we in that group we will make one poll also. Whatever the favorable day and time, we will again throw this webinar in maybe coming week. Today is Saturday, so yeah, in the next week. And we will again do this kind of Q&A. So by that time also, anyone have any question, you guys can again ask us freely. Uh,
So I think it's fine now if no other questions are there. So we'll next week we will again organize one more webinar in the evening timing or the timing that is being scheduled, like that is
yeah.
favorable for
Or
the
in that
others.
in that WhatsApp group only, sweetie, we will make one poll. We will give the date
Yes,
and the time slot also. Whatever the major that submission will come, accordingly we will set up one webinar. Okay.
fine,
Yeah.
fine. Okay,
Fine.
thank you
yeah.
so much, Megha.
Thank
Thank you.
Thank you everyone.
thank
Thank
you
you
so much,
Megha.
Thank you,
Thank you
everyone.
everyone.
Thank you
Sweetie.
so much.
Thank you for joining, everyone. Thank you so much.